Hey everyone, Mtn Grandma here, and it's another soaping video. I hope you go check out the playlist to see all the great videos that we've had join the collaboration. Today I'm showing you how to make a DIY liquid soap. You could make shower gel or hand soap from a shower gel base. I made lavender cedar wood from essential oils and pumpkin pie scent and a coconut lime using natural and essential oils. So I'm going to get started to show you how to do this. Let's go. All right, so we are going to make some hand soap. I've got some little containers here I'm going to use. You can also use leftover containers or reusable containers. I've already poured 8 ounces or about 300 milliliters of my shower gel base in here. And this is a huge jug of shower gel base. And then I've got my essential oil boxes here. Still trying to figure out which scent I'm going to do. But the first step is go ahead and heat this up for about 20 seconds, and then you can add in your essential oils. So I'll do that and be back to you. All right, so one thing to note whenever you're using essential oils, make sure that you're using them at a safe percentage. I'm going to go ahead and go with 6 milliliters, which will be right about 2%. Maybe a little over, but I know all the essential oils I'm using are safe to do that. I've already pre-blended some orange clove here, and I'm going to try to do just a really fall scent. Now, since I can only have 6 mLs, I'm going to make sure that all of the essential oils I'm using add up to that. So I'm going to go with 2 milliliters of this orange clove blend, milliliter of nutmeg. I'm gonna have to count drops here. So I've got 1 milliliter of nutmeg, 2 milliliters of the orange clove mix. Now I'm gonna add in a milliliter of ginger, and that will put us at 4 milliliters. I'm gonna add in some cinnamon. I have to count drops again. All right, so now we're at 5 milliliters. I'm gonna stir this up. The reason you heat up the shower gel, you could add it without heating it up, but you heat it up so that it'll be easier to pour after you've mixed everything in. So mixing all this up, you can see it getting cloudy from the essential oils, which is fine. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. All right, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and add to this. I think I'm gonna add in more nutmeg, just so it has more of a baked flavor to it. Okay, once again, counting drops. All right. Once this is all mixed up, you can kind of look from the side too. Just mix it really well. Oh my goodness, it smells like, I don't know, something wonderful baking. Almost like a pumpkin pie. A lot like a pumpkin pie. Okay, so let me go ahead. And I'm going to pour this into the bottle. Here we go. And I know I'm using an 8-ounce container. I want to do 3 different scents here. And then you can purchase your, you see I've got a glove on to handle those oils, but you can purchase these right here. And they come long. You just have to trim them to size. So ahead and eyeball that. See if that's big enough. Awesome. Okay. So there we go. There's one. You can put a cute label on this and do it as, give it as a gift or decorate your house with, you know, cute little bottles, maybe with some washi tape or even just some pretty paper or fabric or something glued on there. with Mod Podge, however you want to do this. But there's one. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple others. I'll share with you guys the essential oil blends I'm doing. All right, this next one, whoopsie, that's not the right one. This is the one. This is a natural fragrance oil. Don't know if y'all can see that clearly. Coconut, sugarcane. I love coconut smells. I know summer's like over, but I sure do love a coconut smell. So natural just means it's not necessarily made from essential oils, but also from like the fruits and the leaves and stuff. And I will say with these natural fragrance oils, they don't work real well for cold processed soap. And I'm going to put in 6 ml because I'm just going to do this. Oh, you know what I should do? Never mind. I got an idea. I'm going to go with coconut lime. So I'm going to put in 3 ml of this coconut. I'm going to add in 3 ml of lime. And that's going to be fun. Lime essential oil. Now I'm going to do 3 ml of this. Probably going to turn this a nice little, some kind of something shade of green, but that's okay. Alright, so there's my 6 ml. I already figured that out before. That means I'm at about 2% on fragrance. And let's go ahead and stir this up. Coconut made it like more milky colored too, I think, than the other one. Alright, let's get this poured. This is our coconut lime. Again, I'm using an 8-ounce container. I mean, if I was selling this or something, I'd just do them all the same scent, but these are going to my kid's house, and then we're going to use them. Might make an extra to give as a gift. Do got some prize winners out there I got to mail boxes to. Whenever you're cutting these tubes, you kind of want to cut them at a bit of a slant. Yep. All right. Okay, so there's our second one. This is coconut lime. All right, so the last blend here, I'm gonna do like a relaxing blend. I'm gonna do lavender and cedarwood. That's what I'm gonna do. So there went the lavender. Cedarwood out here. Again, going with the 6 ml. All right, and I will pour this in a bottle, and then we'll show you what the 3 different scents are that we got. I've already cut this to size, so I know it'll fit in there. So you can see the difference in how the essential oils impacted the color. This is our lavender and cedarwood. This one was our coconut lime, and this one over here was our pumpkin pie. So you can make labels and decorate these, like I mentioned before, however you want. They make a great gift, or just to use around the house. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you will try your hand at some soap. And if you don't want to do the cold process soap or melt and pour soap, you can always start by doing some liquid soap, making your own hand soap or shower gel. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I will see you on the next one. And remember, everybody, keep your joy.